I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin weekly chart. It all comes down to this. There's some possible ideas of some bullish upside, but the bulls have a lot of work to do. So here you had a previous low down at about 18,750. Now you've got a higher low potentially. If the bulls are able to break this level here at about 24,950, you could see a confirmed breakout of a double bottom, which would give you a measured move up in about this area, 32,000. Now, I really want to see the bulls put in a higher high, because what you have is your low, your high, your higher low. This higher high would confirm an uptrend. So again, very important that the bulls pump this price into the $25,000 range, and then you're looking for a move to 33,000. Now, if the bulls cannot hold 19,000, downside. 16,000s in the cards, 14,000 in the cards. So the bulls have to show up here, but a double bottom with a higher low possible could be a good sign for the bulls. On the 18th of August, I drew this idea of what potentially can happen with Bitcoin, the most likely scenario. I didn't know exactly where it was going to retrace to, but I knew I was looking for the retrace and the bounce. And what happened? Retrace and the bounce. Pretty much nailed it on a video on YouTube 3 weeks ago. People in this market need guidance, and they need someone constantly updating them, and that's what I do in the group, right? These videos are great, but they come out every 24 hours. Now, this bear trap, right now the bears are trapped. So you had this bounce, this bounce, this bounce, then the bulls lost this level, and they regain it right back without a bearish retest, without the downside signal, and the bears are getting punished. Now, some type of retracement would be healthy and give entry ideas, maybe a pullback to 20,600. If the bulls are able to flip the $22,000 level, then you could see 24,000, potentially 25,000 in the cards. So what type of pullback, what type of entry ideas will we get on this move out of Bitcoin? You can come in here and you can pull fib retracement backwards, and you can see, I mean, you've got about a 40, this is about a 40% bounce, 40% based on this move here, right? This is a 40% retracement, 40% bounce. So, I mean, that's significant. The 0.5 fib level and the 618, the golden pockets up here, right? So that would be the average retrace. Golden pocket is the very common retrace, but you have all the sellers right here. So you don't want to see some major rejection and the bulls get their heads knocked off and headed back down to this trend line. If that were to happen, you're looking for a bounce here. Plan A, plan B, plan C. Stick to the plan. Write them down. That's all there is to it. Execute. Could you imagine an NFL football game? They go out there and they don't have any audible plays. You can't just call a play and then just expect it to play out. If you see things are changing along the way, you call a different plan. And that's how crypto trading works. Any trading, Forex, stock market, period. Got to have multiple plans in place. Bitcoin 1 hour chart, just like we said in a previous video, 68% chance of a break to the upside, and it did. And you had a pretty strong move for the Bitcoin bulls. Got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, he made yesterday $19,000 in the trading group. This person, he thanked Trip, Joe, John, Rob, our admins in our group who are gifted. I've got guys up 50x, 100x, 200x, 400x answering questions and helping people. This person made 319% on a leveraged trade with Bitcoin. We completely nailed, Trip completely nailed the Bitcoin move. This person, back in the spring, I bought a brand new Chevy Blazer for my wife with what I made. Trading group. Anybody can do this. If you can read a map, you can trade crypto. It just takes some time to get life-changing money. Be patient. These are the past few days we've had in the group. It's just banger after banger after banger. Sometimes I just don't even believe how much upside we're finding. Gem pick banger city. We're given 60% off and an additional $100 discount to get you in the group today. I've had so many people rejoining the group and joining the group because of the discount. So we're going to continue that. It can help you. I'll change your life forever, period. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Killing it. The DXY, the dollar, has had a small pullback, which, I mean, really this is a rising wedge. This thing needs to break down and give some relief for the stock market and for crypto. But over time, I do look for this to potentially move higher, and that would punish Bitcoin and the stock market. So there's a lot of short-term trading ideas, possibilities. You'll definitely want to keep an eye on the dollar because the Fed, the giant manipulator of the market, is trying to raise the rates and dump their balance sheets. This is the ES1, and the most important idea to understand here is this is now at overhead resistance. Some type of pullback and support, and then a bounce. Very bullish, right? That'll give you good entry ideas, okay? The golden pocket, again, is the 618. The most common retrace is right in this area. So if you do get continued upside out of the ES1 of the stock market, looking for it to drag Bitcoin higher. Ethereum trying to work higher. So this has been kind of some weak price action, but Bitcoin hasn't been doing much. And when it did, Bitcoin dominance took off, and that means people bought more Bitcoin than Ethereum and the altcoin. So understand this level right here, all the sellers are right here, all the sellers are right here. If Ethereum can break through this, you could potentially see a move to $1,867, $1,940. There's a lot of hype around Ethereum, but what you don't want to see is this thing roll over. Bitcoin has to cooperate. That's all there is to it. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.